Start by spraying scrubbing bubbles all over the shower and tub. If you don't have any scrubbing bubbles, you can use water, bleach, and Tide here. Then give it a good scrub with a soft sponge. Do not use the abrasive side of the sponge, that will damage your finish. You can use the shower hose or a plastic container to rinse it all off. Don't forget about the fixtures. You can use scrubbing bubbles on those too. After scrubbing with the sponge, use a dry cloth to remove any excess. Remember to also wipe the top sides and outside of the tub. Use a dry cloth to polish the area after you're done scrubbing.